AL Villa, a holiday haven nestled in the heart of Pererenan, Bali, embodies the essence of tropical modern architecture. Born from a client's simple yet profound desire for a breezy and comfortable living space, the villa's design revolves around maximizing airflow. The initial concept, a square floor plan, served as the foundation for a structure that prioritizes connection with the surrounding environment. To achieve optimal ventilation, the architects strategically incorporated open sides on both ends of the building. These openings, seamlessly integrated with lush planting spaces, allow for a continuous flow of fresh air, creating a naturally cooled and invigorating atmosphere. The ground floor, designed as an open-plan living area, further enhances this sense of openness. The kitchen, dining room, and living room seamlessly merge, eliminating barriers and allowing for unobstructed airflow and a harmonious flow of movement. The villa's architectural expression is characterized by its simplicity. The square floor plan, devoid of any unnecessary projections or subtractions, forms the core of the structure. To prevent monotony, the architects ingeniously enveloped the building in a wooden screen. This natural element not only adds a layer of visual warmth and texture, but also seamlessly integrates the villa with its tropical surroundings. Furthermore, the western-facing screen effectively mitigates the intensity of direct sunlight, creating a more comfortable and energy-efficient environment. The placement of the bedroom on the second floor adds a layer of privacy and tranquility. A carefully designed void connects the two levels, facilitating the upward movement of air, ensuring that the upper floor remains as cool and airy as the ground floor. The bedrooms, strategically positioned to offer breathtaking views of the surrounding greenery, provide a serene retreat amidst the lush Balinese landscape. In conclusion, AL Villa is a testament to the successful integration of form and function. The architects have masterfully translated the client's desire for a breezy and comfortable living space into a design that prioritizes airflow, embraces natural light, and seamlessly blends with its tropical surroundings. The result is a stunning holiday villa that offers a truly unique and unforgettable experience. I hope this video has given you some food for thought. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. So, take that first step, and don't be afraid to chase your dreams. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.